Summer is drawing to a close. The golden days of autumn are upon us. Delicious apples, pears, grapes and berries are now ripe for harvest. Mixed orchard owners now have a whole host of fruit which is ready and just waiting to be picked, sorted and processed to produce their own tasty juice or to be used for fermentation. Processing fruit crops requires a good deal of care and attention in order to retain the wonderful natural aromas and freshness within the cask. The process of getting the fruit into casks in the form of juice is, however, much easier than may be expected. We're able to provide you with everything you need to make the best use of your fruit and successfully complete all the stages required to turn it into juice or must. The first step is to shred the fruit in order to produce a mash, which is easy to work. The fresh mash contains the precious juice and needs to be pressed as effectively as possible so as to deliver the best possible juice yield. The right storage casks will be needed to ferment the juice or sweet must without the use of preservatives. The production of alcoholic must involves using the right containers to support the fermentation process. Our sophisticated and user-friendly fruit processing machines and special containers for the professional storage of fruit juice and must will help you achieve this. Speidel's home fruit and cider press product range offers practical and professional solutions. Our apple and pear mill is ideal for the shredding of pom fruit. It's easy to operate and completes the task in no time at all. The apple and pear mill features a specially designed set of blades to guarantee the highest possible fruit yield when the mash is pressed. Our innovative hydropress ensures gentle and effective pressing of the fruit mash without the unnecessary expenditure of elbow grease or electricity. Our stainless steel pressure and fruit juice casks are perfect for the production of juice or sweet must. Our drink and fruit juice containers are made of polyethylene or stainless steel and are ideally suited to the fermentation of alcoholic must. This equipment provides you with everything you need to enjoy a natural product made from your very own fruit. But how does the whole thing work? No problem, we will be happy to show you. The apple and pear mill is impressively easy to use. It can simply be connected to a standard 230-volt socket. The large hopper means that fruit can be tipped in straight from the box. Just add the fruit to start the process. The mill will rapidly shred the pom fruit to precisely the right size, ensuring that you achieve maximum juice yield when pressing. The apple and pear mill can handle up to 1,000 kilograms of fruit an hour. This makes it possible to process large quantities of fruit into mash in rapid time. Cleaning the machine is also child's play. Simply remove the hopper and hose down the mill and the hopper with water. Done! All the machine's components are made of stainless steel or food-safe polyethylene. This guarantees ease of cleaning and a long product life. Working with the hydropress is just as easy and efficient. The machine features a special rubber membrane, which enables it to be operated using normal 3-bar mains water pressure. Simply tip the ground mash into the top of the hydropress, connect up a garden hose, turn on the tap, and watch the juice start to flow from the outlet. No electricity or elbow grease is required. The membrane will force the mash against the grid of the basket from inside to out, whilst the large pressing area ensures an exceptionally high juice yield. The level of pressure applied and the duration of the pressing process can be regulated by simply closing and opening the tap. The shortness of the flow channels creates a gentle pressing effect and makes sure that the juice retains its wonderful natural aroma and freshness. The hydropress can, by the way, also be used to press a whole range of other fruits, tomatoes and honey. Once the pressing procedure has been completed, there are many ways of processing and storing the juice produced. One popular storage method is our stainless steel bin. This features a hermetically oil-sealed floating lid and an additional hooded lid, and is excellently suited to storing heat-sterilized juices without any need for preservatives. The fruit juice cask can also be used to store fermented wine or must. The cask can store fruit juices for long periods of time and can be tapped every day without any detrimental effect to either taste or quality. The trick here is that the oil-sealed floating lid adjusts to the level of contents, meaning that the container doesn't need to be full. The lid will always float on the surface of the liquid and lowers automatically when juice is drawn off. The floating lid and paraffin oil create an airtight seal within the cask and make it possible to store your drink virtually indefinitely without using preservatives. Our stainless steel pressure cask for the production and storage of drinks presents a further possibility. This is a highly versatile cask which enables you to produce your own drinks and maintain freshness for months whilst enjoying the convenience of daily tapping. There's no need to add heat or chemical preservatives. The stainless steel pressure cask is ideally suited to the production and storage of sweet cider or must from apples, pears, berries or grapes of any level of alcoholic content. The fermentation process produces a pressure of up to 10 bar, which prevents further fermentation. The pressure cask also offers further options to those who prefer their drinks to be of minimum alcohol content. Directly after filling, the cask can be pressurized from outside using a CO2 container. This ensures that fermentation is minimized from the very outset. You can also make your own soda water or lightly carbonated mineral water from normal mains water by adding carbonic acid. This is a real money saver. And then there's the traditional method of keeping your must in our practical polyethylene casks or in our stainless steel fermentation and storage casks. The most important factors in producing fermented drinks are the right fruit, a good recipe, and the cask itself. The first thing which the cask needs to be is airtight. This means that the aroma and bouquet of the drinks it contains can be preserved over a period of months. Our polyethylene containers are made of undyed food-safe PE plastic. The smooth material is easy to clean both inside and out, without any need for aggressive detergents. The stainless steel fermentation and storage cask can be used as a must cask and is also ideally suited for the storage, mixing, and transportation of wines, juices, liqueurs, or syrups. Our casks easily outperform the cheap conventional casks available on the market by maintaining aroma and alcohol levels and keeping the must fresh and tangy for long periods of time. Produce deliciously natural juice, must, or wine from your own fruit crops. Our apple and pear mill, our hydropress, and our many other products for the storage of juice and must will provide you with all the specialist equipment you need for successful production. Our practical and professional solutions meet all the requirements of ambitious commercial and private producers alike. Enjoy your own home-produced juices and start to embrace a healthy lifestyle. One thing we can guarantee you is that producing your own juice is great fun. For more information on our products and on how to order, please visit our website at www.speidels-hausmosterei.de. We're looking forward to hearing from you.